Hey, what's up guys? ThirdMan55 here, and today I have another RID, Robots in Disguise Transformers figure today. Today that is Optimus Prime, well, Blizzard Strike Optimus Prime, because it's the only one I could find. There's a nice picture of Optimus right there. And then on the back, he transforms in 5 steps. And then you can play the game. So, app 9 and up. So you download, scan, and then unlock plus play. So yeah. So it is available on the App Store and the Google Play Android app. And it's an authentic Transformers product. So there's the package, which we don't need anymore. The thing I like about these Legion, whatever you call them, figures, they're nice and small. They're not too big, not too hard to transform. I get they're for younger ages, but sometimes they're better than the bigger figures. So anyway, here is Optimus in his truck mode. This is an ultra stylized version of his truck mode, which looks really nice. I like this blue color instead of the red. Looks really nice. I may paint the smokestack silver just to give him more of a authentic look. And his headlights are kind of painted blue. They're a lighter blue than the base color. I like that. The grille detail. Little black window. Wish they did that on that side. I might do that. On this side as well. Looks really cool. And yeah. I flip it over. There's not really any robot kibble. It all fits together pretty well. And Optimus is kind of a box truck in this form. But now to transform him to robot mode is really simple. Basically what you want to do is split the arms apart like this, fold them out like that, and then take this whole section, swing it up like this, and then pull Optimus's head up, and then fold down his legs. And there. Oh, and of course split the legs. And there we go. Optimus Prime is in his robot mode, except he is leaning a bit far forward. You just fold him back, and then yeah, it works really well. Arms can go in and out, like so, and these are on a ball joint, so I can get 360 rotation out of those. Legs are also on ball joints. Can kick back that far, kick to the front that forward, and kick to the side like that. I really like that blue kneecap in there, the white in there. Looks really nice. Now the only complaints for the figure I have are just, well, on this version the headlights are red, which I might fill in red, and the smokestacks have to be a silver color, which I will do, and then just the windows. But other than that, that's it. This is a really nice figure. Almost better than the big version. I actually enjoy the smaller versions because they don't have many movable parts. They're just better for my hands anyway. Also, they're nice and light. But there's Optimus's face. It's really nice. It's his dark navy blue color. If we can focus. Focus, focus, focus. Give me the focus. if it actually does focus, which it is not. You can kind of see Optimus's blue eyes in there through my fuzzy camera. It wants to pick up the background. Come on. Like, if you're this close, it should be focusing. But it's not. It only focuses like right here. Yeah, you can kind of see his eyes in there. He does have his battle mask over his face, which is a classic Optimus look. And I think he needs some gray up there, or silver. Yeah. I really like the color scheme and Arctic mode Optimus. Very nice. I give this figure a thumbs up. Also, he's got a little scanning tattoo right there. Autobot symbol. I really like how they're doing that with their figures. And now, I will show you how to get him back into his awesome truck mode. So what you want to do is take the head, fold it back into the bottom of the cab. If you would go. There we go. Got him back in the cab. Come over to the legs. Squeeze them together like that. Then the arms. Take them, straighten them up. And he does have almost blade looking things in his arms, which is really cool. Now this peg is actually very tight, so you kind of have to use your teeth, but for that part, oh yeah, we put those up, that's right. And then basically you fold that part like that. They do make snapping noises. Fold down the front of the truck, and you just flatten the back, and there you go. Optimus Prime is transformed. He does have gray wheels, which is kind of cool. And then, yeah, it's a really nice truck mode. I give this guy a thumbs up as well. Or I think I already said that, but whatever. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm signing off on another awesome video that you guys should check out. But anyway, see you later. For now.